Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to add a video with Autoplay to your Shopify homepage. Let's get started. For the first step, upload your video to Shopify. From your Shopify admin, click on Content, then go to Files. Click Upload Files and select your MP4 video file. If your video isn't MP4 format, use an online converter. It's the most compatible type. Once uploaded, keep this tab open. You will need the video URL later. For the second step, open your theme editor. Go to Online Store, click Themes, and find your active theme and click Customize. In this example, I am using the Dawn theme, but this works on any theme. For the third step, add a custom liquid section. In the Shopify editor, scroll to where you want the video. Click Add Section, and choose Custom Liquid, not the built-in video section. For the fourth step, paste the video embed code. Copy the custom liquid video code provided, link in the description, paste the code inside the custom liquid box, and that's it. Your Shopify homepage now features on autoplay video using custom code. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.